Morning everybody. Welcome back to your English classes. We will start English Literature Chapter 3 Glimpses of the Past. Glimpse means a brief view at something. In this chapter we will have a brief view of our past of our country. This chapter will enable you to understand the British reign in India. You will get knowledge about some freedom fighters from this chapter. You will feel the love and respect for the country and patriots. It is the history of our country during 1757 to 1857. India was under British rule during this period. Indian princes were dethroned by the British East India Company. Indian people led a miserable life during this period in every field. Many learned men gathered and told to against the British Raj. In 1857, a revolt broke, and this was the first freedom fight against British rule in India. The Indian forces faced British forces directly. The glimpses of the past is in the form of conversation. The martyrs. Martyrs means a person who is killed because of his belief. The martyrs are remembered every now and then. They lay their lives for the sake of the nation. Their sacrifices are unforgettable. A song sung by legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar brought tears in the eyes of Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The lyrics were "Ae mere watan ke logo." The chapter begins with the conquest of East India Company from 1757 to 1849. In India of 1757, the East India Company was in a strong position to the Indian princes. They had superior weapons. Indian princes were short-sighted. Short-sighted means not thinking carefully about the result of something. Indian princes were fighting with each other. The Britishers saw the weakness of the Indian princes. Indian princes did not have unity. They often asked help of the company to defeat other princes. But the people had no peace due to such constant fights. All the princes were fighting with each other. The rivalry helped the East India Company, and it could easily subdue Indian princes one by one. So this enmity, the Britishers took advantage of this enmity, and they could easily suppress these princes one after the another. But all the princes were not like that. However, the brave Tipu Sultan of Mysore fought the British. He died in the battlefield fighting the British. Now, how did Indians react to these conquests? Some Indians took it positively, and they thanked British for guiding them, and they thought that Britishers were helping them. But other people, they understood that India is subjected to foreign rule. Britishers has captured India. That they understood very well, and they regretted. Now, British rule from 1765 to 1836. Religious leaders preached ideas like untouchability and child marriage. The social fabric was in a bad shape. Religious leaders preached absurd practices. Absurd means inappropriate practices like untouchability and child marriage. They spread the concept of untouchability and child marriage in India. Some blame that the women are the cause of the misery in the world. They said that women are the reason for the bad condition in the world. The truth was that the Indian had lost self-respect. The British hated Indians, and they talked to each other that the Indians were not worthy of trust and they were dishonest. They were not honest. Being merchants, the British wanted quick profits. Their heavy taxes forced farmers to abandon their field. The Britishers imposed heavy taxes on farmers. Thus, the condition of the farmers became very bad. The Britishers asked for the arrears. Arrears means the money that the Britishers had given to the farmers. And they said that if they were not able to pay the money, they had to leave the fields. Now, the farmers at that time were the worst hit. Inevitably, famines followed between 1822 and 1836. 15 lakh Indians died of starvation. Because of famine, that means short or lack of food, between 1822 and 1836, 15 lakh Indians died because of hunger. Still, the British invented other methods which gave them more profits. But the Britishers were busy in making more profits. They were not bothered about the petty condition or the poor condition of the farmers and artisans. Then the British used every method to make maximum profits. The import from England became tax-free. Then the artisans. The artisans were also treated badly. The Britishers' policies ruined the business of the artisans. The Britishers cut the thumb of the expert artisans. Artisans means expert or skilled workers, and thus the life of the artisans became miserable.